year, Eagle Production is raising the bar, and we mean it. On Thursday, July 17th, you're invited to the Eagle Production Open House. Step inside our Township headquarters and get exclusive access to the people, technology, and ideas shaping the future of live events. Tour our state-of-the-art facility. Experience hands-on demos with the latest gear. Meet the creative team, designers, and industry pros who make every event unforgettable. And we're not just talking shop. Enjoy an open bar, a decadent dessert bar, and a spread of treats to keep you fueled all day. Network with fellow professionals, discover new inspiration, and see firsthand why Eagle is the partner trusted by event leaders everywhere. This is more than an open house. It's your backstage pass to innovation, connection, and a seriously good time. Join us Thursday, July 17th from 2 to 8 p.m. at 1640 Wyckoff Rd. Come curious, leave inspired. Eagle Production, where vision takes flight.